Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm standing outside this door, and inside of this door is the place where my linen and towels go to die.
Fix it, Jesus. This is the current state of this linen closet. Now, this is not my main linen closet. I do keep that organized. This is literally where my linen goes to die. So when I get done using something downstairs, like I've gone through these kicks where it's like, okay, I want all white towels, I want all white sheets or whatever. And so then the colored towels that I had or sheets end up here in this closet, and I just don't use this closet much at all other than just kind of like a catch-all. So today is the day that stops. This is my spring cleaning series, and what I'm doing is getting my home together. You know, I started off with my garage and I've done my pantry, and now it's time for me to hit this closet here. So I picked up these baskets here, and I'm not taking any tags off yet. I'm just kind of taking things out and placing the baskets in just to make sure I'm liking the way that it's going to look and that it's going to be functional for me. I am not trying to create a Pinterest perfect look at all. I'm trying to find something that's going to be practical for me and that will work to house these things that I need to keep. So I'm going to stress that because I absolutely have no need for all of these towels and sheets. So I will be donating them to a shelter. Those that are in good shape, I'll donate them to a shelter or something like that. And then others that may be more dingy or just need to be gone away, I'll either use them for cleaning rags or I will dispose of them. Now, I always ask, am I the only one that allows spaces to get like this? My home on the surface is always together, but the inside of closets and things like that, I'm going to keep it real. I struggle. And if you're able to keep it all together, hey, kudos. I'm trying to get there, but I'm not there yet. So I still have to work on it constantly. What I'm doing here is I've decided to kind of roll my towels and try that for the towels that I'm going to be keeping and then place them in the baskets. It's kind of awkward doing it standing up, but I did go ahead and get them all rolled up and put them in the baskets. And I do like the way that they look. There is nothing more satisfying than seeing your vision come to light. I'm really liking the way that the baskets are looking. It's definitely having a neater look to it already, and I definitely have gotten rid of a lot of things. Not everything will be going back in here, but I definitely am liking the way that it's coming together.
All right, so I've got some overflow of like dishwashing soap and things like that. I recently stocked up on my Procter & Gamble since it's getting ready to go up the end of this month. So I stocked up on some tissue and Dawn and that type of thing. I got some paper towel up there. And then I've got my towels in each of these baskets here on this shelf. And then here I've got my sheets. And I paired my sheets, the flat, the fitted sheet and the pillowcases all in the same, in the inside of the pillowcase. So anyway, it's not the neatest thing because I'm horrible at folding sheets, but at least I know that I have full sets here in this basket. This basket here is kind of a catch-all. That is just my reality. I need to have a place to put things that kind of don't have a home. So right now I've got that kind of stuff, and there's room still in here in case I run across other things. And then here, don't judge me. I have a whole shelf for my pumpkins and fall things here, but that's working out nicely. So I've got all of my pumpkins here. This big bin here is also full of my other fall decor. I've got extra throws and rugs here in this space here. I've got an extra mattress cover there. It's one rug is there, but that's basically how it's looking. Definitely a lot better and organized. I know what's inside of each bin, so things now have a home, which is a good thing. That was the ultimate goal. Now, I wish that I could tell you that this was the end of my organizing, but it's not. I have a couple more places that I need to really work with for my spring cleaning or whatever, to have it all done. But this was a big task. So I started with the bigger task first. I did my laundry closet. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. I did my garage, and now I've gotten this done. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed, and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload my next video, because you want to see what I'm working on next. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.